Hi everyone, it's Mandy from Skycom Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about how to protect and unprotect your sheets and your workbooks in Excel. Protecting a worksheet in Excel is incredibly easy. You need to right-click on your worksheet and Protect Sheet. This will give you an option to select what you want to protect and also what password you want. So enter your password, confirm your password, and away you go, it's locked. So now with our locked sheet, you can see if I were to type something, it's not going to let me. I have to enter my password. Now if you want to make changes, you need to right-click on your sheet again, unprotect your sheet, and enter your password. Now you can enter anything you would like. So now that we have protected our sheets, we can also protect our workbook as a whole. If you go to File, Information, and you're going to see Protect Workbook, click that, and it gives you a couple different options to either encrypt it with a password so that nobody can open it or view it without your password, or you can just protect the structure of your workbook. There's a few different options. Take a look, they give you really good definitions. So now that you've got everything protected, make sure that you pass along that password over the phone to whoever you're sending the workbook to. Remember, passwords shouldn't be sent by email for security purposes. Thank you for stopping by for some Excel tips. If you'd like some more helpful tips, follow the links beside me and follow us on social media.